Hello everyone. I, Nilima Warhade, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology Pune. Today, we will study different characteristics of digital ICs. IC stands for Integrated Circuits. In last video, I focused on classification of digital logic families and ICs required for designing it are called as digital ICs. We compare different logic families such as TTL, RTL, CMOS to understand the behavior of different digital ICs. There are following characteristics of digital ICs such as propagation delay, power dissipation, speed, figure of merit, fan out, fan in, voltage parameters and current parameters. Let's start with the first characteristics as propagation delay in this video. Propagation delay of a gate is the average transition time that signal takes to propagate from input to output. Let's take an example of a NOT gate as shown in this PPT. We will apply input to the NOT gate and it will take certain time to reach at the output. That is, input A takes certain time to generate output A bar. This is called as propagation time. As shown in the waveform, propagation time is generally measured in 50% of the transition from input to output. That is, output takes certain time to go from high position to low, and this is represented as TPHL. And similarly, when the output goes from low to high position, it is given as TPLH. So, to find the average propagation delay, we can apply the formula as TPHL plus TPLH divided by 2, which is measured in nanoseconds, that is 10 raised to minus 9 of the seconds. Let's take an example. If any TTL IC having TPHL as 9 nanoseconds and TPLH as 13 nanoseconds, then we can say the average propagation delay for that particular TTL IC is 11 nanoseconds. Also, we can say speed of operation is specified in terms of propagation delay. That is, if less propagation delay, then speed of operation will be more. Next is power dissipation. Power dissipation, as we all know, every electronic circuit requires certain amount of a power to operate. For that, this power is measured in milliwatts. The amount of power dissipated in an IC in the form of a heat. To avoid IC from damage, we need to always keep power dissipation very low, and power dissipation is determined by the current ICC that is drawn from VCC. Therefore, we can say power dissipation is equal to VCC into ICC. And to find the average value of ICC, we can say the formula is average ICC is equal to ICCH plus ICCL divided by 2, where ICCH is nothing but the current drawn from the power supply when output voltage is a high level, and ICCL is the current drawn from the power supply when the output voltage is at a low level. Therefore, average power dissipation is given as VCC into ICC average. We require the VCC voltage when we use the TTL ICs and VDD voltage for the CMOS ICs. That's all for today's video. Thank you everyone.